Tolebi is a legendary public figure, be of the senior Jus, orator and poet, one of the author of the Code of Laws Jete Jarre. None of his descendants have ever been bees. Even as a child, he was distinguished by literacy, oratorical skills, and subtlety of thinking. He was a highly educated person, knew Arabic and Persian, read many books on historical topics, knew many legends and traditions, as well as the history of wise sayings and decisions of many Kazakh bees. Tolebi was a contemporary of the great Khans Tauke, Abulkhair, Ablai, a participant in many important events in history. He was a member of the Council of Bees established by Tauke Khan. Very early he began to participate in the solution of the most important issues of his kind. During the Joңғар invasion, he united the Kazakh, Kyrgyz, Karakalpak, Uzbek peoples into a union. The people loved him for his wisdom, justice, and resourcefulness. Legends tell about Tole's honesty. His winged sayings have survived to this day. Tolebi promoted farming among the people. In Shymkent, Turkestan, Tashkent, he actively participated in the construction of many structures. The people were widespread proverbs, sayings, aphorisms of Tolebi. He was the ruler of Tashkent for about 6 years, where he was buried.